Hi, welcome to EOXS, the software designed specifically for the steel industry. I'm Emily, and I'll be walking you through this software. EOXS is powered by a dedicated team of over 65 professionals with knowledge in steel, software, and artificial intelligence. With offices in Canada, the US, and India, we're here to support you at every step, from implementation to daily operations to post-implementation support. Whether you're fabricating beams, processing coils, or managing a bustling service center, we get it. Your business is anything but cookie cutter. You deal with complex inventory, tight deadlines, and customers who expect perfection. Sound familiar? Well, you're in the right place. We've worked with over 40 steel service centers coast to coast, and our software supports businesses of all kinds: service centers, tool processors, tube manufacturers, and more. Now, I know what you're thinking. How's this different from the dozens of other software out there? Great question. Here's how. From coils to beams, we built EOXS to handle the quirks of steel. Sales orders, inventory, reporting, it's all customized for your industry. Everything done in one place. Whether you're tracking pounds, tons, or pieces, EOXS adapts to your needs. You can even manage products with different dimensions in the same order, because we know that's how your business works. And our customers, before EOXS, weren't even monitoring these numbers. Our customers often tell us that we're ahead of our time, and for good reason. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the steel industry. This isn't by chance. It's the result of a dedicated research team working tirelessly to advance our AI capabilities. Their focus is on developing tools that help you make smarter, faster, and help you make more informed decisions. EOXS streamlines your operations, reduces costs, and keeps your customers happy. It's flexible, reliable, and built with your business in mind. Whether you're managing a single warehouse or a multi-location empire, EOXS has got your back. Let's dive into one of the most powerful tools in your business toolkit, the dashboard. Let's start by navigating to the sales dashboard. From the main menu, click on My Dashboard. At the top, select Steel America to view the data for this entity. This is an example of a dashboard tailored for the Chief Sales Officer, providing a live snapshot of sales performance and key metrics. Here's what you'll find on this dashboard. Gross profit, CGP for today, this month, and this year, along with a comparison between estimated and actual GP to identify gaps. Sales orders count. Track how many sales orders were created in real time. Shipping metrics. View gross profit based on when the order was shipped and break it down by salesperson. And booking insights. Dashboards aren't one size fits all. They're designed to adapt to your specific needs. And for owners, the dashboard can include a simple switch to change currencies, like showing numbers in Canadian dollars based on the latest exchange rates. This helps you quickly understand the business, no matter where you're working from. For even quicker decision-making, there's a built-in assistant called Iris, a small icon you'll see in the bottom right corner of your dashboard. Click on Iris, type in any question, like how much were my sales last month? And it will instantly generate a clear, data-backed answer. It's your shortcut to on-demand insights without needing to dig through reports. With EOXS, dashboards aren't just a tool. They're a strategic advantage that empowers you to make smarter, faster decisions.
Now, let's dive into the accounting part of things. I'm Chris, and I'll walk you through how EOXS keeps your finances sharp, simple, and in sync. The accounting module starts with a dynamic dashboard, offering a clear overview of your business's financial performance. Key figures like net profit or loss, total income, expenses, and aged receivables are presented at a glance. Want to focus on a specific time frame? Use the drop-down menu in the corner to view data for this month, last month, or even the entire year. It's all about giving you quick, actionable insights to make informed decisions. The Reporting tab provides a robust suite of tools for financial analysis. Generate standard reports, like balance sheets to see your company's financial position, profit and loss statements for insights into revenues and expenses, cash flow statements to monitor liquidity, and aged receivables and payables to manage outstanding invoices and bills. Partner Aging Report provides a real-time snapshot of your receivables and payables, grouped neatly by company and aging period. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Reporting tab. Clicking on it reveals various financial reports. Select Partner Aging from the list. And just like that, you've got a detailed view of all your accounts receivable. This format ensures you can quickly identify overdue payments and stay on top of collections without digging through endless records. Now, let's say you need more details about what a specific company owes. Next to each company's name, there's a drop-down arrow. Clicking it reveals all the invoices linked to that company, complete with due dates and amounts. Want even deeper insights? Simply click on an invoice and then click on View Source Move, and the system takes you directly to its details. From there, you can review everything products, payment terms, and transaction history all in one place. This feature is a game changer for finance teams who need quick access to detailed information. These reports aren't just about numbers. These are tools for confident decision-making. Whether tracking receivables or payables, you have all the data you need to stay ahead. With this level of clarity, managing cash flow becomes less about guesswork and more about strategy.